Hello everyone, myself Ansari Safia from Physics Department, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Now this presentation is for class SYBSc Physics Paper First, Section First. Now the title is Multiplication of a Complex Number. Now dear student, we know that complex number which is represented by z is equal to x plus iy, where it consists of two parts, real part x and imaginary part iy. Now consider two complex numbers, z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1 and z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. Now these two complex numbers are represented by the points P and Q. Point P represents the complex number z1 and point Q represents the complex number z2. Now using the polar and exponential form of complex number, we can write z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1. Now the polar form is r1 cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1. Now the exponential form of complex number z1 is equal to r1 e raised to I theta 1, where r is modulus of complex number and theta is argument. Now similarly z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. Now the polar form of this is r2 cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Now the exponential form of z2 is r2 e raised to I theta 2. Now their product, that means z1 into z2 is equal to r1 e raised to I theta 1 into r2 e raised to I theta 2 equal to r1 r2 into e raised to I theta 1 plus theta 2. Thus the product of two complex number is also a complex number. Its real part is r1 r2 and imaginary part is e raised to I theta 1 plus theta 2. Thus the product of complex number z1 and z2 is represented by the point r, which has polar coordinates r1 r2 and theta 1 plus theta 2. Now the point is obtained by drawing a line OR such that OR is equal to OP into OQ is equal to R1 R2, and it makes an angle equal to theta 1 plus theta 2 with the axis of real.